Hello viewers, hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So this is chapter number 7, respiration in plants from unit 3, and this video is basically a last minute revision for this chapter, and I hope you will enjoy the lecture and it will be a beneficial video for you all to prepare short notes for your exam revision. So let's start with this chapter number 7, and the things which I am going to cover here is about respiration versus combustion. Entire plant respires, the kind of respiration, experiments on respiration in plants, difference between respiration and photosynthesis, comparison between plants and animal respiration. So all these things in a very short form. Let's start it. So here's the reaction, which we can see that the glucose within the presence of oxygen is giving CO2, H2O and energy, which is in the form of ATP. So basically ATP is the energy currency for the cell, and this whole process of respiration is known as cellular respiration. Now this whole process undergoes two steps of glycolysis, which is taking place within the cytoplasm of the cell, and the second part is a Krebs cycle, which is taking place within the mitochondria. These two steps are releasing this product and the energy ATP is formed. Now respiration is basically a catabolic reaction, which we can see here that glycolysis. So basically glycolysis is the process where the glucose is getting breakdown into the pyruvate form, and this reaction is a catabolic reaction where breakdown of substances take place. So we can see that glucose is breaking down into CO2, H2O in form of energy. Next is the stomata, lenticles and the roots. All parts of plant, they respire. So this is again very essential for plant. And anaerobic respiration is very a temporary kind of respiration in plants, and basically it is seen in bacteria and fungi. The product formed of anaerobic respiration is mainly ethyl alcohol, and the ATP are only 2 ATPs are provided. In this photosynthesis, the anabolic reactions take place and CO2 is mainly required. So this is how the photosynthesis is different from respiration process in plant, because in photosynthesis the CO2 is required. So whatever we can see here, the CO2 plus H2O, this is basically required for the production of glucose in case of photosynthesis. But when we are talking about respiration, it is basically the oxygen which is required with the glucose to break into the CO2, H2O, and energy is released. Now energy is released, that means some amount of heat is also getting produced, but the amount of heat is very less. So the combustion is very much different from the respiration process. The oxygen is basically the byproduct of photosynthesis, and we can see here the oxygen is the main reactant in case of catabolic reactions. So this is a very brief explanation or revision kind of explanation for respiration in plants. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram page. Link is in the description box.